Sanibonani bafethu. If uyakhumbula izolo kuMadlanga Commission bebebhizi no-advocate uDrosanta Ramsamy lo okade junior prosecutor lapha kwa-IDEC. So uyilabashushisi nje abasesebancane. So into ade yenzeka izolo is that bekazoqedelela ubufakazi bakhe. Uzokhumbula ukuthi bekuyilanga lakhe lesibili lokuthi avele kwiMadlanga Commission, and namhlanje kuseni I'm sure uzophinda abuye because bebekuvezile izolo ukuthi abakaqedi ngobufakazi bakhe, but kunezinto nje ezibalulekile ezifew engifuna ukuthi ngikushiye nazo before aqhubeke namhlanje kuseni. Okokuqala, izolo umenshine indaba kaMchunu, uSenzo Mchunu. Uzokhumbula ukuthi uSenzo Mchunu sikhuluma nje usese-suspended, but i-suspension yakhe akusiyona leyo ukuthi uthathelwe imali, i-pay yakho usahola, yonke lento ade ayithola ezo-minister usayithola kuze kube manje. So into ayivezile la wazi indaba ye-forklift, ukuthi uSenzo ungena kanjani. So kusolakala ukuthi uFidel Adams lo osuspendiwe eParliament wathola i-information yokuthi lapha kwa-crime intelligence General uDumisane noLushaba bathenge ama-forklift ayi-2. Now umbuzo-ke manje ukuthi ingabe lama-forklift afunane emaphoyiseni, amaphoyisa azowenzane ama-forklift, and basebenzisa imali le ekuthiwa yi-secret fund, le mali abanikwa yona for lo msebenzi wabo ongavezwa nazi ney'ntatheli azikho allowed ukuthi ziwuveze umsebenzi wabo. So i-IDEC ibisola ukuthi ngenxa yale nto le basebenzisa lelo thuba ukuthi basebenzise le mali ngendlela engekho right. Umzekelo-ke yile ama-forklifter ekuthethwa ngawo. So into-ke manje isekuthelini kumele ku-investigate-we ukuthi ngabe lama-forklift atholakele athengelwe ini, and ngesikhathi ethengwa kwalandelwa i-process e-right ini yokuthenga lawo ma-forklift, because if uzospenda imali engango-700,000 kusho ukuthi kumele kube khona ama-processes alandelwayo, njengokuthi kube khona ama-code a-different, then nibheke lama-code a-different ukuthi iyiphi eninikeza the best value for imali yenu. So nokuthi-ke manje isizathu sokuthenga ama-forklift abengamaphoyisa siyini, bebezithengela bona personally noma bekuwupart of umsebenzi wabo. Now uSenzo Mchunu la ngena khona it's because of i-interest yakhe ekuncediseni abantu abalwa ne-crime intelligence, ekuncediseni kwakhe u-IDEC ukuthi alwe no-crime intelligence. Ubancedisa njani na? Uthi uDrosanta makayibeka lento Ramsamy, uMchunu arranged ukuthi ufakazi lo oze othi unayo le information athathwe ayiswe Eastern Cape ngeflight ukuze ayodibana nabaphenyi lapha e-Eastern Cape bekwazi ukuthi baqhubeke nale case. Now uthi into emthusayo lapho ukuthi usually uminister akangeni kuma-investigations, and angeke uthole ukuthi uminister directly also arrange indaba yama-flight, okusho ukuthi if uminister Senzo Mchunu wayenza lento leyo kusho ukuthi wangenelela emaphoyiseni. So ingaphinde isibuyise kulento esithi i-political interference. Le iMadlanga Commission ekudala ifuna ukuyiprove ngabe ama-politicians adlalile indima ekuthenini abasethi namaphoyisa abathatha iy'nqumo ezithile. Enye into-ke ayivezile ukuthi ibimthusa kakhulu into yokuthi uMchunu abe ne-interest kangaka, because yena bekacabanga ukuthi njengominister bam-update nje ukuthi hayi silandela le case le, but kwabonakala ukuthi cha, kule case le uMchunu ungene ngazo zonke izandla, ungene ngazo zonke iy'nyawo, u-interested ekuthenini kwenzakalani kahle kahle kule case le. And another thing, uze wakhala ngesikhathi eyikhuluma indaba ukuthi ufeeling ngazuthi u-Andrea Johnson umsebenzisile umyuzile since engumuntu omncane junior. And lento leyo imenze i-commission yathi ukumnika nje isikhathi ukuthi aphinde athi ukuzibuyisa kancane just ukuthi acompose, because when we deal uma sesenza izinto zomthetho emotions most of the time azisebenzi. It doesn't mean ukuthi azicount, but kubalekile ukuthi uqhubeke usho lento ishoyo. So that's why bebemnike isikhathi sokuthi nje athi ukuzicompose abuye abe right. Now uphinde waveza indaba yokuthi uJohnson uke wayiveza into ethi uMchunu unceda i-IDEC ukuthi kuklinwe i-crime intelligence. And ke manje leyo nto leyo isho ukuthi kuzomela ke manje kubheka ukuthi uMchunu bekaqonda ukuthini makathi makuklinwe i-crime intelligence. Yini lengcolile ayiboni ngazo ukuthi kumele iklinwe, and uma ngempela noma kuthiwa ikhona into engcolile, but yini le ekade azoyenza ukuze kuklinwe replace ubani ngobani. So igama likaMchunu ke selithintekile futhi, okusho ukuthi manje if khona omunye umuntu ozophinda akhulume ngale gama likaMchunu ingahamba to a point ukuthi kugcine abizwa uMchunu ukuthi makaphinde abuye azoziphendulela. Enye case interesting la ukuthi if uyabheka kuyonke lento le uFidel Adams lo National Coloured Congress ulokhu uyavela and uye lo ekusolakala ukuthi noba mhlawumbe wasetshenziswa ukuze avule lo mlilo or something, but kuyabonakala ukuthi ikhona lento ayenza ukuthi ikuqale wonke lama investigations. I'm not sure why bachuza yena out of everyone owayekhona. They could have asked someone just nje osendleleni ukuthi hayi I received or iphoyisa elithile mhlawumbe so that into ibe credible, but manje kuyophinde kuyobhekwa ke manje ukuthi ngesikhathi eseparlamente kahle kwenzakaleni. And kwalento ukuthi uFidel Adams ususpendiwe idweba isithombe esinye nje ngendlela ayiyo ezumuntu. And uzokhumbula kona ukususpendwa kwakhe kokuqala lokho kwasuspendwa before esuspendela indaba yokungakhulumi kahle yokungabala amagama akhe mayekhuluma, na this time around ususpendiwe for expose information yabantu abathile lapha kwi-DA. So kuyabonakala ukuthi ungazothi when it comes to emotional intelligence une lacking yayo, because umuntu ongazothi uyakwata then akhulume noma yini ayikhulumayo, or if engavumelani nawe athathe inqumo ezingathi azikho right. So I'm interested ekuthenini makabuye nayo uFidel Adams akazoziphendulela lapha kwiMadlanga Commission sibone ukuthi kahle kahle ithini into yakhe. But ngiyafuna ukuyiveza nento ethi kuyo yonke lento lena akakaclearishwa umuntu kuyo yonke into, especially lamadoda kwa crime intelligence o General Khumalo no General Hlushaba. Ayikho i-official document ethi manje baclean kuzo zonke izinsolo ababhekane nazo. And ngiyacabanga ukuthi if usudevelope uthando lokubathanda kuzomela uphinde ushiye iroom nje noma iroom eyi1 or encane just for anything enovela, because at the end of the day asibona abantu abaperfect sonke. I'm sure nabo emsebenzini akhona ama mistakes abawenzile amancane mhlambe, not le mistake yokuthi corrupt, but if uyabheka uJulius Mkhwanazi kuyabonakala ukuthi yena cha beka enjoy lento le. Angisho ngaleyo level, but le level yokuthi uthola ukuthi as umuntu there are mistakes owenzile mhlambe we were doing something and you did not follow a process ngendlela right. So into ezikanjalo, hence I'm saying ukuthi even if ikenzeka we should know vele ukuthi ama-hero ethu obani, but at the same time as much as bengama-hero ethu we should leave room for i-disappointment ukuthi okay we agree ukuthi lokhu bakwenzile, but at the same time ubufakazi esinabo busibonisa ukuthi bebeleqwa labantu bebekwi-persecution kahle kahle. There was a purge kade yenzeka ngabo befuna ukususwa kwa-IDEC. And lastly, uma kuthiwa nje kuyenzeka ubufakazi bukaDrosanta bamkelwe by i-commission, into esizosala nayo if iMadlanga Commission ithi ithatha njengobufakazi ke manje obuthembekile okusho ukuthi izobhala na kuma recommendations ayo ukuthi cha nale qiniso nawo manga. Oqala kuzobonakala ukuthi ama politician angenelele kuma investigation amaphoyisa. That means lawo ma investigation bewachemile. 2, kuzophinde kuvela ukuthi i-IDEC isebenze ngokungemthetho ekwenzeni izinto zayo, nalokuthi bekuyi-organization elwa izimpi zama-politician kusetshenziswa yona. And okugcina kuzophinde kuvela ukuthi ikhona indlela engenzeka i-process yama-procurement engenzekanga kahle lapha kwa crime intelligence, because if ilento engibuyisho nje ukuthi we should leave room for disappointment, because ngibathe ngiyacabanga ukuthi why would they buy ama forklift out, but I know ukuthi ngikhulumiswa ignorance because angalizwi side labanye ukuthi bathi why bethenga ama forklift. I'm sure by the time they are given a chance to explain themselves they will do kanjalo, because you know most of the time if uzwe iside eliyi-1 le story uzungali right until uzolele lesibili side and then ubona okay apha kahle na i-common ground la ikhona. So I don't know ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani, but we hope ukuthi at the end of the year we'll be able to see ukuthi kahle ubani odlalela iPirates ubani odlalela iKaizer Chiefs.